Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about some penny stocks. So before I start this video, let me just note that I am not a financial advisor, just some random guy investing on the internet. I am not recommending that you buy or sell any of the stocks that I'm going to mention in this video. Please do your own research before you buy any stocks. So let's look at my portfolio. I decided to buy 150 shares of some penny stocks, and I know I'm taking a huge risk and it's going to be a gamble. So just showing you guys my portfolio and what is happening in aftermarket hours. As you can see down at the very bottom, one of my penny stocks that I purchased 50 shares of is currently down 8% in aftermarket. So let's just jump straight into my portfolio. Okay, so right now my account balance is $3,200. Scrolling down, I do have some nice profits in some of the stocks. Now you can see ZOM, that is one of the penny stocks I decided to buy. I decided to buy 100 shares of it, and if I sold right now, I would see the returns of $94 for selling 100 of those shares. So let's take a look at that one first. As you can see, I have a gain of 52%. Go into the quotes. So as you can see, even in aftermarket hours, it is just kind of steady there at the moment. So we could see that right here, it just had a huge spikes. Now I found out about these stocks on the Reddit penny stocks. If you're looking to get into penny stocks, I'd recommend going there. A lot of good resources and people speculating what could happen with certain penny stocks. We are doing pretty good with this. I'm not sure how long I'm going to hold this. I might hold it until $3, or I heard something is going to be happening with this particular company in March. So not sure if I'm going to hold that long. We'll see what happens with this stock. Going back. All right, so I'm dropping a couple dollars in aftermarket hours. And I don't want to talk to you guys too much about these companies just because I'd rather you guys do your own research about each company that I'm talking about. So ZOM currently over $90 in gains if I were to sell. The next thing I was looking at is ZSAN, and I currently have 50 shares with the average price of $1.54, and I'm currently in the profit if I were to sell of a little over, well, at this point $12. It's just been fluctuating in aftermarket. So let's click on that. So I currently have gained 15% with this particular stock. Going to quotes, and we can see that it's been having a nice uptick. It did have a huge sell-off right here that I was kind of panicking about a little bit, but then it is rebounding quite nicely. Earlier, when we were looking at aftermarket hours, we saw that it was down 8%. So now it's only down 7%. So hopefully it's going to go back to the zero, or maybe gain some in aftermarket and pre-market hours, but we'll see what happens with these two stocks moving forward. At this point, I want to try to get my portfolio up above that $25,000 threshold so that I could start day trading. I'm going to be continuously taking some riskier plays just to see if I can get there a little bit quicker, but there are some things I'm just going to hold long term, like Upwork. I'm going to hold long term just to see how much that grows within the next couple years. A couple cannabis ETFs that I'm going to be holding just because I do believe that industry is going to grow within the US. However, the money that I'm putting into these penny stocks, I'll probably be, buying them, keeping them for a short period of time, and once they've made enough profit, pull out and then look for the next penny stock that I could put money into. So it'll be fun. It's going to be an interesting journey to try to get to day trader status. When I say status, I mean just to have the amount of money to be able to do it. So let me know in the comment section below, are you guys interested in penny stocks? If so, what's the ticker symbol? And I'll do my own due diligence and look into it a little bit. And how big is your current portfolio? What are your goals with investing? Are you planning on just trying to become a day trader, or are you just investing for retirement? For me, I'm just investing just to have fun, trying to learn the market so that day trading could be potentially my job. I feel like that'd be pretty fun, along with this YouTube channel and everything. That's my ultimate end goal because I am loving the stock market right now. It's just a lot of fun and so much that could happen, so much going on. I just need to learn a lot more. So you guys will see more like knowledge-based videos on this channel relating to the stock market and just general financing. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.